Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be talking about graphing a function. So there's multiple ways we can do this. In all honesty, we could take a shortcut. We could use y equals mx plus b and realize that our equation crosses our y-axis at +1, and it goes down 2 times and over once because of our slope. Sorry, I meant to put m there. I just rewrote the same thing. So down here, m is -2, b is +1. So here's our b, and we're going to go down 2 times and over once. There's my next point. And then I could take my straight edge, which I don't have something of that here. Give me a second. All right, we'll just freehand that. Exactly what I tell you guys not to. There we go. Down 2 over 1 and keep going. Up 2 over 1 and keep going. There we go. Boom, boom. And we've graphed it. Didn't even need the table. However, they want us to actually solve using these four. So let's see if we get the same thing, because we should. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this -1 and put it as my input. That means this -1, everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put -1 instead. When I solve this, I get +2 plus 1, which is 3. So that means when my x was -1, my y was +3. So at -1, when 1, 2, 3, and that point is on my line, so far, so good. Let's do the next point at 0. So I'm going to take this 0, since it's an input, and put it here. And then this tells me that everywhere there's an x, I'm going to put 0 instead. So I'm putting 0 inside my parentheses. Anything times 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So at 0, 1, well, 0, 1, that was our b-intercept, or our y-intercept anyway, or a b. So we're good there. Now, next one is going to be, I want to grab this color, here we go. Next one is going to be the number 1. Again, this says anywhere there's an x, I put 1. So I come over here and I replace x with 1. -2 plus 1 is a -1. So that means at 1, -1, I have another point, which again, I already found because of that slope. And at 1, -1, I've got that point. And then the last one we're going to do is at 2. Anywhere I see x, I'm going to put 2 instead. So I put 2 in here. 2 times 2 is 4. Negative times a positive is a negative. So -4 plus 1 is -3. So at 1, 2, down 1, 2, 3, I have another point, which I did go through. All 4 points are on my line. So this line does represent not only these 4 points, but the function, and I was able to do that using y equals mx plus b, and verify it by solving this equation using all 4 of these points, because all 4 coordinates fall on my line. If you have any questions, make sure you email me so I can get them into the lesson for tomorrow. Stay safe out there, guys. Have a wonderful rest of your evening, and good evening.